Anyway, that's Naija FM 102.7. Now you position for live and direct. If you check your time right now, na 9:46 a.m. Now you be. That's about like more say 12 minutes, few seconds. Now remember before the hour of 10 a.m. And as I told you earlier, we get another artist for the building inside Naija FM studio right now. This is now one of the freshest of them all. You Sabian, never to take for inside the Big Brother Naija. But before then, he was a musical artist, and a lot of people don't get to see that though during the house. I not go live verse on a small, but before then, he do it in as a musical artist. And right now, after the Big Brother, after they touch one or two things, see they here and there, he don't come back to the music fully with the release of an EP, a body of work. When I mean say this EP is sweet, because I did there for the listening party, the energy they very, very high. I know, so you know, they wonder why they talk about no other person than the one and only groovy Mono, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The freshest of them all.
Yes, sir. We did. Naija FM, what you say?
Everywhere legit.
Everywhere legit. Energy is high, ginger is high.
It clear,
my guy.
You just there on the G. On the greens.
I did on the greens. I did on the GWs. You understand? The groovy ways.
So the last time when you stopped by for studio, that was like about you don't reach 2 years.
Last year.
Last year, never reached 2 years. Now just 1 year.
Now 1 year. You know, say it be like 2 years because say 2 sets now don't pass.
Yeah, the Russian, not be like after now they rush that one, rush the other one.
Exactly.
Oh. Anyway, welcome, Groovy.
Thank you, my bro.
You be there. No, okay, you reach the finalists.
No, ninth week.
Now ninth week you reach for the Big Brother Naija housemates.
Yeah, small.
I remember the love when it happened there, when you come on, the love you want look like saying want continue and the rest. But yeah, we are right now. The love not feel sustained. You don't even get involved for other arrangements, which we will talk about very, very soon. But officially, welcome to Naija FM
Thank
studio
you so much.
once again. Before we go on this commercial break, I just like ask. Why it take you that long to release body of work even after you come up for Big Brother Naija? Because most artists when they go Big Brother Naija, once they fall outside, that wave of that moment, they use them follow with music.
Exactly.
Why you delay?
Just because of the fact that I won't put out quality music. Yeah. You understand? And I gotta take my time. I don't want to do them like before. I don't did this same exact studio 2 years ago for EP website I drop. And
that was 2021.
2021, exactly. 2021, I did the same studio for interview for EP where I drop. And I know say definitely if you say I drop music like that time where I come out, if they on a different level. But at the same time, I gotta take my time because music now something where I did very passionate about. I don't do one before this whole Big Brother thing. So at the same time, I just want to make sure say the sound where they come up with, it guys they legit, it guys they
different.
If I tell you say it take me like and my team almost like more than 5 months to put out this body of work. You understand? So
based on the recording process and everything.
A lot of thought, thought process into them to just make sure say everything they right.
I want just ask right now.
Okay.
We go move enter the music arrangement. I know say now music you take start, but if I want to find out from the beginning, where be the foundation of your music when it start? Where you discover music or where music discover you?
So officially, I don't make the decision say I want to do music when I did school.
Okay. Which school be that?
Unilag.
Okay.
Shout out to all my Unilag people. You understand? You know the vibes. Okay. So I think maybe like my third or my fourth year. Yeah. I just made that conscious decision because when I did school, now modeling I did do. Apart from the
open body, open chest, so six pack.
So you know say the modeling alone, it just exposed me into the entertainment industry and just. To enter that kind of thing at that early age, you go to meet people, you go gain confidence, and music now something we be say I don't do like on a normal like choir level. As people they talk say you dey for choir.
You be church boy before.
Yeah, I be church boy. Yeah.
Before.
I be church boy on that level now, and I just dey go church we dey do. But yeah, now for school now I officially talk say I want start the music.
For Unilag, right?
But now officially in 2020. That's the pandemic. Now I just dropped my first single.
That's after you don't throw with school, have you?
Yes, exactly.
Which year you wrap up with school?
2016.
2016.
You know, say school, we always get too many strikes. So we don't wrap up like earlier. But so now that pandemic just give me the opportunity to delve into them.
Okay. So even after you do the music, you drop an EP, which you even come for interview.
Exactly.
What can motivate you to come to apply for Big Brother Naija? Ask me.
I mean, I believe say I did destined for. I won't take put on like this. I believe I did destined for greatness, and Big Brother Naija na very big platform for anybody. You know, be by say you won't be artist, even if you be doctor, even if you be carpenter, anything. So long as say you enter, you feel still there. You understand? Because so long as say you get something to offer. So I believe say that one and my destiny say I go dig great. I just wait for that platform. And even as the music no get to the level where I want make it get
at that
to,
time when
at that time, you understand, at that time, and even with my business, beside they run, so I get clothing business, and groovy luxury. So with the Big Brother thing, and I be fan of the show as well. So I just talk say one more. If this thing come up, me I go apply. Funny enough, I even been applied the year before.
Oh,
the year before that's their hair. So I don't even get me for the first me. I don't even get I don't even get reply for first me. I don't even check because the video hits, the kind hits where they do me that first time where I did that video. Okay. It's crazy. So as I just get as we just do this one, as I just apply for that one for last year, I receive response and I follow them up. Follow them up,
Okay, it dare expect to say because the major platform, if you fall into the house, you go expose those your talent.
Yes.
What you go say hold you back from exposing your musical talent that time?
Okay, so
I think we get to see the fashion part because I think when I do some wrong ways, do some dressing.
We do. So they say say me like I did surprised when people they tell me say they know say I did do music or anything like that. Are they surprised because
so even when you release your jam, even when I tell my guys, I they go for Groovy, listening party, invite me, say, since when Groovy start to they do music? Why be say all Big Brother and Naija want to music? Now I say no, the guy they do music. I can't explain. Almost everybody.
You go explain tire. You go explain tire. Now I want to talk about the first day we say we enter the house. The first day, and I even sing like 2 tracks. If the clip go there, I sing 2 tracks that first day, and then subsequently I just understand as they come, but I no come make like say every day make I come they sing like every day because me I believe say I did like I did act, I did do music, I did model. I say that show you go they do different things. So I don't really know exactly waiting then they show.
Okay, the
people you understand, but I know say I see one clip where say I did rap. I did rap one of my songs to Elo Swag. We just the vibe from Hero. So I did happy when I see that one. But generally, most people don't really know say I did do music. And like as you talk, as I can't come out, maybe say I no come full up, I no drop.
They just feel saying so
They just feel saying
you can't do lovey. So I know say you be my guy with the CEO. You dey come my show with the C for outside. But say I know they always get opportunity to really ask you question.
Okay.
So I want really ask because you be do lovey-dovey with the lady where can't end up as the winner of your season. I'm talking about Fina inside the house. I even wanna come outside. It be like say when they do some kind of lovey-dovey. What it really happen when make you and Fina relationship end?
Now just irreconcilable differences. You understand?
You use toilet when you not flush.
I don't even.
You know the most time when you be the winner, as they give you
that statement itself, they must be the first time I hear. I don't even get.
But wait till really occur. Wait till occur when make una.
The English, the English too big. Now irreconcilable differences like we don't. You
start to the enter other guests. You know, coffee compete.
No, now normally
because when you come out to the hot boy.
Normally, self I be hot boy on the normal stage.
Not the
for instance, I be hot boy. Outside, I be hot boy. Now normal stage, you understand? But like as
but you not cheat on her.
No.
He not cheat on you.
No.
Okay.
You know, just work out. You understand?
Okay. As soon as I come out from the house, now notice gonna be 2 different person. Now you go your way, him go his way. But I see the yanti now. You not come your listening party.
We know they talk.
So now really, how you speak that irreconcilable
differences.
To the essence, so I know they will communicate. I know to see your relation with even other husband, even others when you come from differences, you still they okay. How come you and Fina weren't supposed to rapport together? Because you drop your, if you're not supposed to do hype lady on top and the rest then.
No,
but you don't try to reach out to them since then.
No, we know they talk.
At all.
We know
they block on yourself on social media. For Instagram.
Me, I don't know about that one.
For you to talk, you don't know that means somebody blocked somebody.
I don't know about that one. Sure, you understand. So we know that me, I don't get like me. I don't
now
get
the age difference.
No. Me, I know. As I don't tell you, as you know workouts, I just move on. Sure, you get. Okay. And me, like I know they carry people for mind. Sure, you understand. Because I get many things where we say they ahead of me. I get my brand.
So you know the important to the can't carry Fina and Matapu for head.
No, you know the important make you the carry person like something where we say don't pass, you don't pass. You understand? I get many things where we say I focus on. I get my family, I get my business. Even my fans self, then they expect everything from me. Shout out to the Groovers because they still they hold me down as always.
Okay, a couple of weeks ago,
okay,
we can't notice you there inside Benz. with one of I will call her I can't call her Ventra, but now old housemate.
Rape.
It don't take for the big brother Naija. When I come dey inside Benz, I think now your Benz be that. You can know your car. I don't know it's not your Benz.
You just say na my Benz.
Yes, I don't know, but now Benz you dey drive.
You say na higher.
Okay, anyhow. So camera can't catch up where una do like say una dey kiss. You get. But you know person when they talk about already.
No, why you don't call the person name now?
So
why you don't call the person name? He say na veteran. You do like say na
I go call his name.
Call him na.
Nah, for what he will say na.
Like wait.
Nah, no, not
you go meow. You dey share.
No, I want to. You know say with this sensitive word before I go call her. You get.
Good.
So una can't do like say, can't be like say relationship one spark up because at that time she just come outside from the reunion. So I'm free, I'm single, go. Una can't do some PDA. Just I think una even still go ahead still do something for club. I don't know if now So what it be happen between you and you? Una really go into relationship? That was just for the camera. Una just want to make people talk.
Not just for the job, man. Not just for the job. We be Flat Vodka ambassadors now. So now,
but I not see drink for that picture.
You don't see drink. No, now why you go see drink for the picture? Now everything now process now. You understand? Now the build up to the whole thing. You understand? So
that thing na arrange.
Nah arrange.
You not do.
You said 4 for him, have you?
No, I not. No, I can't say my guy. No, my guy. No. No, my guy, no.
He said my guy.
Don't let me hear the thing. I have one message, she groovy. Not really true. I said, no, man, you're leaving. You get me? So it was all like a promotional.
Yeah, not just promotional content for Flat Vodka.
Okay.
So I mean, they just recently announced us as
just
ambassadors.
See flate because now Flat na can't flate.
Hey, you understand?
But na kiss re-kissing now.
Una
kiss re-kissing for that video now. I will not be we not see the kissing where. Una do re-kissing now.
No.
Oh, it was not re. Oh, you use and take cover to do like say the una sabi drama for this country.
You know say me we dey act now. Me I be good actor. Me I go pull am off normally. Sure you understand, but
because people could say you just move from Fina come move enter Ure. Is Ure not older than you too much? So people can ask a lot of questions. You get. I want to make excuse. Okay, maybe grooving a person with the like older women. You get because I was once like that. You get. So
see last I don't go even last if you
who you like somebody
last
like
who you like now you like who yes now why not who you like last who you like now you like sure you understand so age no be
matter
age no be matter
because the older self the sweeter the you get yeah because scientifically they say between the age
say now you my organ now so you you get there you understand
no based on science and research they say between the age of 40 and 55 say that age say it is sweet it is sweet past the normal arrangement you get that science
I not sure say I go wait to that I not sure say I go reach that level but make science do where science dey.
Okay, before we move to your music right now, Groovin, who they on board right now? I know say you're not a lover boy. You know, guy, you know, go get relationship when you manage. I don't know whether they pass one, but who they on board right now for you?
No worry, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
So nobody, you don't want to disclose the person when you date currently right now.
No worry, stay tuned. If you go choke, if you choke, you go know.
And I know say your DM they busy. Where how you take they manage those DMs?
I take the manager. If I don't see the one we involve money, I just skip them.
You skip them.
I just skip them. But on the normal level now, hot boy stuff now. What's man go do now?
Hot boy stuff. You only like voice. That's what they view. Anyway, back to the music right now. Groovy Way EP.
Yes, bro.
Idiot. He said it take 5 months to put that body of work together. Yeah. And also you can't get more joy when I realize say Big We, right? That's Big Y.
Shout out to Big Y.
They part of the whole process inside the whole matter. I mean, I think it's not reach almost 3 or 4 years. Not tell when me and the young, but we know. I not sure we don't see face to face before.
You know, as this industry they be now, you go just the mark, you go the see person, you go the mark face, but one day
when I jump on it, you get me. So congratulations on the EP.
Thank you so much.
I want to ask why you feel saying at the right time to drop a body of work.
I mean, like I said, because I take my time. You understand? Because I take my time, and because of the quality of the music, and I fully back this project. I don't even say guys. I don't already talk anybody where they hear now the music project of the year now I drop.
Hey,
forget say na Groovy Mono because they come from Big Brother Naija. Me I dey sing this music thing and my thing. You understand? So and I really believe in myself.
Before we even decide to play a single of that EP, because even Groovy still get another interview with another radio station, you be the talk something about this EP. Be the waiting
music project of the year
for 2023.
2023.
That particular
I stand
college,
on that mantle.
that particular college not too heavy for you.
You know too heavy. You know too heavy for me.
Okay.
You know too heavy.
So for this Groovy Way EP right now, five tracks.
Yes, 5 tracks.
5 tracks. You not feature anybody. You not do any collabo. Any particular reason for that?
No particular reason. I mean, I don't date this industry. I don't mix with different sets. I mean, actors, producers, musicians, different kind of people. Sure, you understand? And like, now just matter of time. You understand? Now just matter of time. Everything go click at the right time. But with the quality of the music, and also with the fact that I never dropped music in 2 years, it's very important for me to actually,
just
stand on that mountain. And this year for me now, the most significant year for the Afrobeat industry, because I feel like I believe say this year, now you guys they counted.
Among.
You understand? You guys they counted among. So regardless of what people think of, waiting me I they talk, how they feel about my project. You guys they counted among. And I just they excited, for the fact say the industry just they move to a very, very high level.
Oh, okay. So we will consider this body of work as contribution to that movement.
As contribution to the movement, and also a statement that Groovy is back. Groovy Mono is back.
Okay, for this time. Which one you go say since the release of this body of work 2 weeks ago? No, 3 weeks ago.
No.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
2 weeks ago. So which one you go say a lot of people don't accept because they monitor everything for back end right now? Which of the single inside the EP?
My baby, ya they come. My kele, ya they come. I'm on my way.
From mainland.
I'm on my way. Whether I'm from London, whether I'm from Dubai, whether I'm from Yanopaja, whether I'm from Onitsha.
Yeah,
I'm on my way. I they come.
Okay, who be this baby? So when they tell you say they come for this song?
Nah, I'm one very special person. No person. Okay. One very special.
You don't finally tell say they serious relationship. you don't see how Groovy is in a serious relationship. There's a special person when they always go meet for us. Or sorry, the person they come your house. Groovy be like who they go meet person for us.
Now I thought say I'm on my way.
Your way.
Because I got to explain. I'm gonna no go at the call.
Okay, so right now, any official video to any of these songs?
No official video, but content choke.
Okay.
I go on my page at Groovy Mono, content choke. We they drop, and not just we they drop intentional content. Like I talk, my team they solidly behind me for this project, and they make sure say everything they sharp. And obviously, like we see the feed on the response of waiting people they talk about the EP, the songs.
So select the want to do visual for.
Exactly. Even though I know say on my way now the one way be say. Go get potential to try by it.
I tell you right from the beginning.
In your words, I take talk. I say
this one tap. It get vibe.
You say this one tear my brain.
Yeah. Because at my home theater, I take play.
Oh boy,
he boss as at least I say, no, this one I ain't be the number one. Oh yeah, Groovy, more push it on.
Exactly. So many people they talk say, oh, I like this one. You see, the 2 weeks, it's still a bit fresh. But obviously, if I tell you say on my way, no be the one we say they my.
Okay.
And even sub
go hard.
Go hard.
I think a lot of people need to go listen to your EP to know say you be evil artist before the reality TV start.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think that will make them get better understanding of where they come from.
Exactly.
Not be like those when just jump inside, can't come as musician. You get they try act Pangolo together. Yeah. But anyway, so how the support from your fellow Big Brother has made up this release of your body of work? Who did they support? Did they come through?
No, then they try. I mean, from the release part itself.
Yeah.
You
You
understand? Even the people, even some people say they no come, they still express their bro, no vex, so and like this be sure you understand that kind of thing. We now see the be now. Okay. Once you don't do all these limelight things, other engagement and so many other things they go. Then with reposts and different things. So it go well, it tap well, for sure.
So you go classify your sound as part of Afrobeats right now?
Yes, now Afrobeats, but I go call them Afro groove.
Afro groove.
Afro groove because if like say everybody now don't they call their own now.
So
different people get different name now.
Okay, by 3 years from now, the genre of music won't go past the number of artists.
I swear. Every day people they coin their own. This
but Afrobeat, but you the categorize Afro group.
Yes, Afrobeat. Okay. Groovy Mono na Afrobeat artist.
Okay. Yes. And Groovy Way, the EP by Groovy Mono, they are side right now. Yes. They all streaming platforms.
All streaming platforms.
Audio Mac to Boomplay.
Audio Mac, Boomplay, Apple Music, Spotify, all of them.
Okay. So right now, who you go say, because you don't say is back to back right now. So next year,
yes,
we hope to also get a follow up to this body of work. So who will be the Nigerian artist now when you go say, okay, you don't the eye to work with, or you would like really work with by next year 2024?
I know if you even begin the count. Like I tell you, this year it be like magic. Like everybody go hard this year. Everybody go hard this year. But obviously, like I could just mention a few. Wiz, Baba Wiz, David, Bona, Rema, Omale, Ashake, Thames, Ira. There many. You understand? I mean, like a lot of amazing artists. You understand? So at this point in time, any collaboration where I feel even get to the standard of music, where fit resonate with my sound,
with your sound,
is
a work on development.
Why not?
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much, Groovy.
Thank you so much.
We wish you success on top of this your Groovy Way EP. So go listen to Groovy Way right now. They're available on top of streaming platforms and also your social media. You did open for collaboration?
Yes.
Okay. So if person reach out right now, say
obviously yes. If person reach out right now, let's work. My management, my team, Moku Reason, more work. Please guys, go stream Groovy Way out on all platforms right now. Let's go.
Okay, your social media platform.
Social media handle on Instagram and Twitter at Groovy Mono. On TikTok as well at Groovy Mono. Guys, I don't even talk Twitter. X before because I already changed and on Threads. Also at Groovy Mono.
Okay, so we decide out with On My Way right now. Bracket with one of the this is one of my favorite single of this Groovy
banger.
Banger, and here it is. Enjoy.